Pairing your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones to your Microsoft Surface Pro or laptop is simple. But if your Surface supports Bluetooth LE audio, well, there's a better way to connect. You see, with LE audio, your WH-1000XM6 can deliver lower latency than a traditional Bluetooth connection, helping video, movies, and casual gaming feel more in sync. It can also support clearer voice quality for calls with super wideband audio on compatible Windows 11 devices like the all-new Surface Pro or laptop like I'll be using today. So let's get your headphones set up the right way. Now first, grab your smartphone and open the Sony Sound Connect app. And if you don't have it yet, not a problem. Download it from the App Store or Google Play. Next, you want to pair your WH-1000XM6 to your phone. Then make sure the headphones and the app are both updated to the latest version. Inside the app, go to the headphones connection settings. You want to select LE Audio Priority or Low Latency depending on what appears on your device. This prepares the headphones for the LE Audio connection. Now, here's the step people often miss. You see, if your WH-1000XM6 was already paired to your Surface Pro before changing this setting, you want to remove it first. On the Surface, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Find the WH-1000XM6 and choose Remove Device. This clears the older Bluetooth pairing so the headphones can reconnect properly using the new setup. Next, put your WH-1000XM6 into pairing mode. If this is the first device you're pairing, the headphones may enter pairing mode automatically when you power them on. If they've already been paired before, with the headphones off, press and hold the Bluetooth button for about 5 seconds until you hear
pairing
and see the Bluetooth indicator flash. Now on the Surface, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If Swift Pair is enabled, a pop-up should appear when your WH-1000XM6 is nearby and also in pairing mode. Now you want to select Connect. And that's it. Now your Surface Pro and the WH-1000XM6 are paired using an LE Audio connection. Now, if the Swift Pair pop-up doesn't appear, so no need to worry. Just go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Add Device, then choose Bluetooth. Then you'll select the WH-1000XM6 from the list. Once connected, open your Surface Pro or laptop sound settings and make sure the WH-1000XM6 is selected for both output and input. Now you're ready for video, calls, and casual gaming, all with the benefits of LE Audio on all your supported Surface Pro models. And on those compatible Surface devices, LE Audio can also enable audio sharing, letting one Surface share audio with multiple compatible Bluetooth LE Audio headphones, all at the same time. You see, with LE Audio, the WH-1000XM6 gives compatible Surface Pro or laptop users a more responsive wireless experience for video and casual gaming, plus clearer voice quality for calls, all with the convenience of Bluetooth. Thanks for watching.